Good morning student. Welcome back in maths class. Today we will study Indian and international system of numeration. Okay. Earlier also I taught you this topic. Again we will study this topic. First of all, Indian system. Okay. So Indian system of numeration. What is Indian system? Indian system of numeration. The system of numeration which we use in India. That is called Indian system of numeration. Okay, so upside there is periods and downside there is places. So in Indian system of numeration, first of all we have ones period, then thousand, then lakhs, then crore. Okay, in ones period we have three places: ones, tens, hundred. Then in thousand period we have two places: thousand and 10,000. Then in lakhs period, again two places: lakhs and 10 lakhs. Then in crore period also two places: crore and 10 crore. That means all periods have two places except ones period. Okay, except ones period, all period have two places. And this place value system give us how to read and write the number. According to that, we read and write the number, and we put commas to separate the periods. So according to periods, we put commas. Okay. Then next is international system of numeration. So what is international system of numeration? International system of numeration, the system of numeration which used all over the world. That system used in India also. When you go in other country also this system apply. Indian system we use only in India, but international system used all over the world. Okay. And now here is also upside periods and downside places. So first of all ones period, then thousand, then million. Okay. Now in ones period there is three columns. Here we can say places: ones, tens, hundred. Okay. Same way like Indian system. In Indian system also in ones place there is three in ones period there is three places: ones, tens, hundred. And in international also in ones period there is three places: ones, tens, hundred. Okay. Then after that thousand. In thousand period, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. In Indian system we have only two. But in international each period have three places. Okay. So in thousand period, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then after that next is millions. So in millions period also three places: million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. Means what is there? In international system each period has three places. There is also three, there is also three, there is also three. Means we speak up to 100. Okay. So these are the system of numeration. Now we should start our exercise 1.3. Okay. So question number 1 is there. In the following numbers, mark the periods. First of all, you should mark the period according to the system of numeration with commas, and write the names in both Indian and international system of numeration. In both system of numeration, you should write in words. Number name means you should write in words. There is given write the names. Names means you should write number, names. You should write in the words. Okay. So what you have to do? Firstly you put comma to mark the period, and then you should write number, name. So first of all A part. There is given one number 508965. So in both system we should write. So firstly we write in Indian system. So we should put here commas according to the Indian system. Mark the period. Okay. So now in Indian system ones period has three places. So firstly ones period. So ones period, ones, tens, 100. We put here comma. We mark here comma. Then 1000, 10,000 in comma. Now there is finish on the lakhs. If there is more, then lakhs, 10 lakhs, comma, then crore, 10. Like this, we should separate the periods according to the system of numeration. Okay. Now we should read the number and write its name. The number name means write in the words. So now we will see that there is 5 lakhs 8,965. So write here only first letter capital. Some students don't make first letter also capital. Make first letter capital and after that all small. 5 lakh 8,000 then 965. 9 N-I-N-E 9 100 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 165 60 S-I-X-T-Y 65. Now finish. Now you can see that I make only first letter capital. All after that all the letters are small. So you also take care about that. Only first letter capital and after that all will be small. Okay. Now the same number we should write in international system. So what is in international system? In international system each period has 3 places. So we should take 3 places. Now first of all ones, tens, 100, comma. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Now finish. There is not million period. Okay. If there is more digit then start million period. Million, 10 million, 100 million. But digits are finished here. That means number is finished. So we should only put here comma to separate 1000 and ones period. Now what is this? 508. Now some student confused that how 100 come here, but that is correct because in international system we have till 100. In the each period we have till 100 places till 100. In ones period also, in 1000 also, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So till 100 we are having places. That's why we should speak 100 also. In million also, million, 10 million, 100 million. That means in each period there will be 3 digit number. In Indian system 2 digit number and in international 3 digit number. So no need to confuse. And when you speak in international, so every time 100 will come. Okay. So now 508. You write here 508. Now in which period this? These are in 1000 period. So after that we should use 1000. 508 1000. Now 965. This is in ones period and we not use ones period. Only we write 965. So we write here 965. So that will remain same. Ones period, there also same. But after that it will change. Only till 1000 both number Indian and international both system have same columns. Till 10,000. After that changes start. 1 lakhs 100,000. 10 lakhs 1 million. 1 crore 10 million. Or 10 crore 100 million. Means after 10,000 changes start. Okay. Here 3 columns and there 2 columns. So take care about that. So first question A part I solved here. B, C, D you should solve yourself like this in the odd question. Both system, in the both system you write Indian also and international also in all parts. Now we should start question number 2. Now question number 2. Write the numerals for the following names. Means number names are given here and you should write in numerals. You should write in the figures. Numerals means you should write in the figures. Okay. So A part. 7 crore 28 lakh 54,254. So first of all there is given 7 crore. In crore there is only single digit. So we write here 7. And after that we should put a comma. Okay. Then 28 lakhs. 28 is 2-digit number. That means it is correct. In lakhs column we require 2-digit number. So there is 28. If there is single digit number, then what we do? Before that single digit we use in 10 lakhs column 0. But there is 28 is 2-digit number, so we write a 28. Now again we put a comma. Then next is